Hello, everyone. How's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about Mitolyn before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings to help you avoid losing your money, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. The first thing you need to know is this: be careful about where you purchase Mitolyn. This product is only available on the official website. To make things easier, I've included the link to the official website in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. Now, let's dive in. I'm here to share my experience and help you determine if Mitolyn really works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is an advanced dietary supplement designed to promote weight loss and enhance overall health by improving mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of our cells. They convert nutrients into energy. When mitochondrial function declines, it can lead to issues like weight gain, fatigue, and other health problems. Mitolyn combats this by using a proprietary blend of 6 exotic ingredients that help maintain healthy mitochondrial levels. This results in more efficient fat burning, higher health. Manufactured in the USA with non-GMO ingredients, Mitolyn is a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. It's easy to take, coming in capsule form, and it isn't just for weight loss. It's also ideal for anyone looking to boost energy levels, improve physical performance, and enhance their overall well-being. Plus, Mitolyn offers a money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and see if it works for you. Are there side effects? Mitolyn is made with natural ingredients and is generally safe for most people. However, as with any supplement, there's a chance of mild side effects. Some users might experience digestive discomfort, like bloating or gas, especially when first starting. To minimize this, it's recommended to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it. If you're sensitive to caffeine or stimulants, check the ingredient list carefully, as some ingredients may have mild stimulant properties. If you're pregnant, nursing, have health conditions, or are on medication, consult a healthcare professional before using Mitolyn. Discontinue use and seek medical advice if you experience any adverse reactions. By staying mindful, you can safely enjoy Mitolyn's benefits. Who makes Mitolyn? Mitolyn is produced by a trusted company committed to high-quality supplements. Their products are made with premium ingredients from reliable sources and adhere to strict manufacturing standards in the USA. The team behind Mitolyn consists of nutrition and wellness experts who have carefully formulated the product to maximize its benefits for weight management and overall health. Their focus on transparency and customer satisfaction has earned Mitolyn a strong reputation in the supplement industry. Users can trust that they are getting a product created by professionals who prioritize health and well-being. So, if you're considering Mitolyn, make sure to purchase it only from the official website to ensure authenticity and safety. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you've tried Mitolyn or have any questions in the comments below.